So this is our physical education classroom, okay? You should always look for the most recent post to be able to find where to launch the Zoom, all right? The Zoom will always have something that looks like this where it says launch meeting Zoom, and you will click on it during the time that your class meets, and that will take you straight to the Zoom so that you can join the meeting, okay? Now, in order to access all of the assignments, you want to click classwork. All right, so there's classwork. All right, my screen is going to look different from yours because I'm the teacher, obviously. So I have assignments that are turned in, and that's not going to show up on your end. All right, but the title of the assignment, which is this one, Intro to PE Virtual Class, okay? I put that in there because those are our expectations and our norms, and I want you to be able to have access to that as a reminder, all right, so that you'll know what to do. All right, now this one here is phys ed attendance. You will find this for every class. This is where you need to mark so you can get credit in your attendance. Okay, I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to open up this form so that you can see. This is what the form looks like. You need to complete this form to the best of your ability. Type in your first and your last name. Then you're going to put in today's date. And then you want to click on this. How did you participate? All right. You want to click on every one that applies. Okay. So it looks like on my end, I can't even do that. So I need to change that. So you want to select whichever one applies for you. So if you watch the video clip on the topic of the day, if you answered the discussion questions, if you completed the cool down exercises, some of these things are not going to apply every day. So this is how I'm going to know if you are really paying attention or if you really did it, because if it doesn't match with the lesson, then I'll know you're just going in here clicking things. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much the gist. Excuse me. That's pretty much the gist of what you're going to do for this assignment. Okay. To go back. All right. Right here, you'll see it says do now number 1. All right. So during the class, we try to complete that during the class time. Okay. Now the do now form, it's the same thing. You click on it. Now this is a different kind of form where you actually have to fill in the answers. It's not a multiple choice kind of form. So I'm expecting you to go ahead and write in your answers to that, and then I will go back and check it and grade it. Okay. All right. Remember, you're going to be graded on a scale of 3 from 1 to 3. All right. And that is pretty much it. There's always going to be at least 2 assignments for you to complete a day. And you'll need to submit those assignments before the end of the day. All right. I also I'll include sometimes some links to help you with different things. So this is going to be useful when we start our first lesson.